Today we're cooking trout in a creamy sauce. The recipe is very simple and homemade, but it turns out delicious. Our fillet has skin on it and there are scales on the skin. You remove the skin. Cut it into 4 pieces, then have 4 servings. Check for bones and remove them. If any scales get onto your fillet, you can rinse it and pat it dry with a paper towel. Transfer the fillet to a baking dish. Now slice the olives. You don't have to cut them, but they look nicer as little rings. We need to add black pepper to the fish. Add pepper and salt to the fish. Now finely chop the parsley. Add the parsley. Pour in the cream. We'll bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, checking the internal temperature of the fish about 55 to 56 degrees Celsius. After we take the fish out of the oven, the temperature rises slightly. We'll serve it with rice. We cook the rice in a multi-cooker. Let's taste it. The fish turned out delicious. A very tasty, simple homemade recipe. Enjoy your meal, everyone. Bye.